This is a quick review for pagepilot AI. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. So, if you did not know already, pagepilot AI is pretty much a Shopify companion, and it's going to create product pages for you easily. So, all you need to do is just go ahead and obviously have an account with pagepilot and also subscribe if necessary. And then from there, you would want to just go ahead and do your research when it comes to products from AliExpress or even Shopify. Just go ahead and do your research, and then after you find the product that you want, all you need to do is just go ahead and grab the link for that product, and then you can just go ahead and insert it in pagepilot, and it's just going to do all the work for you. And you'll also have the accessibility to edit things as you like. So here you can see create high converting product pages with just a few clicks. And that is actually very, very true. And here we can also see a little segment that shows you how it actually works, but I'm not going to go through it because I'm actually going to show you exactly. Now, another thing that we actually want, here you can actually see the first step is just getting the product source from AliExpress or Shopify. Like I said earlier, you would obviously want to do your product research, know the product for be sure of the products that you actually want to promote and everything, and then you can just go ahead and add the product URL, whether from AliExpress or Shopify, and then you'll be able to just generate them and then just embed it to your Shopify or import it to Shopify easily. So one thing that we need to note before we even get started and show you how this works, we can just go to the pricing section real quick, and we can actually see the pricing points that we have here. So we have the light plan, starter plan, and also scalar plan. Now each is going to be unique in its own way. This is going to be for a one Shopify store with 50 product pages per month. So you can actually create them per month, 50 of them. And yeah, obviously the starter plan is going to be a little bit better and so much more. So just go ahead and feel free to read about these plans accordingly, and I'm not really going to compare them properly in this video. But I'm now going to get started for free, and you can always just go ahead and test things out for free first before you, you know, get started with subscribing and stuff. So let's just go ahead and click on Start Now for free and create a new account. So here, what we need to do after we just, started for free. Obviously, I did already sign in, so my account was already created before. Now we just need to go ahead and start generating some products to connect to our Shopify store and also import the products in our Shopify store. First, connecting the Shopify store. Click on Connect here. And then here you can just go ahead and connect your Shopify store by adding your website URL from your Shopify. So just go ahead and grab that real quick. I'm just going to go ahead and get it like so. And we can just go ahead and add that right here. And you also want to add the Shopify key. Now, to get the Shopify key, you will need to follow these steps. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. And then I'm just going to continue on. Okay, so after you get your key, you'll be able to connect your Shopify store. Unfortunately for me, my Shopify store is password protected, so I can't really do so. But anyways, you will be connected and everything should be fine for you. Next, we will click on Generate on the top right corner. And here we have the option to choose a product source from either Shopify or AliExpress. I'm just going to find a sample product from AliExpress, but obviously you would want to do your own research first, and I'm just going to continue from there. Okay, so I've just found this product. I'm just going to be using it. So I'm just going to copy this URL, go back to pagepilot, insert it over here. And here, just go ahead and leave it empty if you don't know what you're doing. Language is going to be English and click on Generate. And now it's just going to actually generate the page for us completely. So just go ahead and wait for it, and then we can actually show you what they came up with. And just like that, we have a product page ready to go. We can actually see the product. We can actually see reviews, descriptions, everything in between. Now, obviously, you can feel free to edit everything. I highly recommend that you go through the description to note everything that needs to be said about the product. And then after that's done, you can just set up the name, the images, everything is actually set up for you. The add to cart button, reviews at the bottom here, and there's also more stuff here as well, like what people are saying, and there's just a bunch of reviews. And you can also have more buttons and stuff. So you can actually go ahead and after you're done and happy with all of this, you can just go ahead and click import to Shopify. Now here it says connect Shopify because I wasn't able to, but for you it's going to say import to Shopify. Click on that and you are pretty much set. It's going to actually show up in your products here. And you can also adjust more stuff from Shopify itself, for example the pricing and stuff. You can always just go ahead and adjust it from your Shopify store afterwards. So this is just a quick review for PagePilot AI. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.